Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where reset this PC option is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery, select reset PC, select remove everything. Now, here's where the problem comes. If you are trying a cloud download and it says that your system is not able to download everything from the internet, then you can try a local reinstall. But you will have to understand that the reason it is not allowing a cloud download is because most probably you may be connected to the internet. If you're not, then you'll have to sort that out first. But the disk may be full because Windows 11 is a very heavy software. It needs 64 GB of data. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and hit disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all the boxes here. And then finally click on OK, and then finally click on delete files. Okay, it will start cleaning up the disk and fix it. The next solution will be to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.